AED डोनेट केला हांगासर विच इज आय थिंक खूब बरें काम केलां कारण AED मशीन आसप ही व्हडली गजाल. AED मशीन्स आमचे कडेन गोंयान इन एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीन आसा आनी आय थिंक रेल्वे स्टेशनार आसा आनी खंय ना. सो हांगासर तेंच्यांनी AED मशीन हाडून दवरल्या कारणान खूब इजी आनी बरें जालां बिकॉज AED मशिनांक खंयची ट्रेनींग घेवपाची गरज ना. इट इज फुल्ली ऑटोमॅटीक. एक BLS ट्रेनींग घेतली, फर्स्ट एड ट्रेनींग जर तुमचे कडेन आसा जाल्यार तुमकां खबर कळटलां की AED मशीन कशें यूज करप आनी कितले बेनिफिट्स आसा. सो एक खूब बरी गजाल की तुमकां व्हडले कोर्स करपाची गरज ना, मेडिकल टिमीची गरज ना.
One of a kind machine. No, I believe no hospital in Goa has this machine, and this will be very useful for any of the guests who suffer a heart attack or any emergencies here.
So the reason that my auntie is here donating the defib is because she lost her partner here last year at the hotel. He suffered from a heart attack and there was no equipment, unfortunately, to save him. So my auntie has done some fundraising through friends, family, strangers in order to be able to purchase the defibrillator to bring out to the hotel at Goa. So in loving memory of her partner.
All the staff at Silver Sands for how professional they were, how supportive during this terrible incident, and the care and assistance we were given after was, it was well received.